Hello, welcome to the Coconut Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you on how to make a coconut milk. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our channel. Thank you. Now, let's start. These are the things that we're gonna need. Grated coconut. Please check out our previous video on how to make a grated coconut. Strainer and a plastic bowl. Also, we are gonna need a lukewarm water. We will use it to pour into our grated coconut. Now, pour in the lukewarm water. Don't forget to wash your hands before do this job. Mix it up with the grated coconut with your hands thoroughly. Take a full hand of the mixture and start squeezing the mixture through the strainer. You can see now the coconut milk start to coming out. Make some space in the bowl so that you can put the coconut residue. Take another batch and start squeezing the coconut milk again. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. So here we are. After finish squeezing the coconut mixture, this is the most concentrated coconut milk that we can get. Not much, isn't it? To yield more coconut milk, you're gonna need to repeat the process from the first step. We pour in back the lukewarm water into the grated coconut and then start squeezing again 2 or 3 rounds some more. After third round of the process, this is how much coconut milk that we can get. As for me, this is enough. Because if we continue, the coconut milk concentration will be reduced. Now, let's find out how much do we yield the coconut milk from 2 pieces of coconut and 3 rounds of squeezing process. The verdict: for 2 pieces of coconut and 3 rounds of squeezing process, we can yield about 850 milliliter of the coconut milk. So this is how you make coconut milk. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.